about is the terminology that we use. Okay, so let's focus on angle C. Angle C is this angle. Okay, now angle C, if we focus on angle C, we see that this side is opposite to angle C. Okay, this is very important. This side, side C, is the opposite side as far as angle C is concerned. And then this side, side A, is what we call the adjacent side. Okay, so there's an opposite side, and then there is an adjacent side. Okay, so side A, as far as C is concerned, is an adjacent side. And then side B, the longest side, is the hypotenuse. Okay, we know this already. That's the longest side in a right angled triangle is called an hypotenuse. Okay, and then if I look at this diagram from the lenses or from the perspective of angle A, then I can see that from angle A, this side, side A, is the opposite side as far as angle A is concerned. And then side C, this one, is the adjacent side. And then side B is still our hypotenuse, which is the longest side. Okay, so these are very fundamental things that we will be using a lot in this section. Okay, so it is very important, or it was very important for me to talk about these things before we even start talking about trig ratios. Okay, now that you've sorted that out, let's...
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next